Talk to us about opportunity zones and building to rent and why you think there's a big opportunity there.
Sure. Right now, there's a housing shortage in the United States, residential homes. There are a lot of folks who want to move from multifamily into residential, and it's also become tougher to buy homes. Millennials are not buying homes the way they used to. Older people are not wanting to own homes the way they used to. Usually they downsize to a smaller home, not doing that. So the single-family rental area is an area that's increasing in scope, more institutional participation. Opportunity zones tie into that, in that the Jobs and the Tax and Jobs Act recently established these opportunity zones. We're waiting for the final regulations.
Where are they and how do we invest in them?
There will be funds appearing. The final regs haven't come out from Treasury, but they will allow investors to sell assets, take the capital gains, roll it into an opportunity zone investment, hold that investment for 10 years, then exit, not foregoing capital gains on the entire investment. So it's a mix of public policy, tax policy to help.
Wow. So if our viewers are out there and they say, you know what, I've made a lot of money in the markets, the equity markets the last few years, I just don't believe the markets are going to go much higher. This could be a place, but it's a future opportunity. It's coming.
Coming any day now. The regs should come out, and it's a 2019 opportunity. That's the way it's been proposed. We'll see what the final regs say.
Okay, now this next idea, you got to help me out, because you said shipping, and in the commercial break, he sat down, I said shipping, and I said, what does that mean? Jokingly, buy a ship, and you looked at me and you said, yes, well, I don't have $100 million lying around to buy a container ship, so how does the average investor play that concept?
Well, there are some public companies in Europe that are owners of container ships, have been aggressive buyers of ships, and there are some private opportunities. The United States has not, institutions have not really financed shipping for years because we don't manufacture, build ships anymore. But since the financial crisis, shortage of newly built ships, the goods have to get somewhere fast. You can't use drones, can't use artificial intelligence, can't use robots. Similar to the housing opportunity. These are things for which there's no substitute, and that's why they're very attractive.
So European shipbuilders, you think, are good opportunities?
European ship owners.
Ship owners.
Secondary market.
Because, yeah, most ships are made by Hyundai in South Korea, so you're talking about the owners of the ships.
That's correct. It's a great time to buy ships in the secondary market.
All right, build to rent in opportunity zones or buy to rent in opportunity zones shipping. I know you're a longtime Goldman Sachs executive, big macro view. Are you shocked at the strength of the U.S. stock market, given that everything that's going on, including, by the way, the much stronger dollar?
I think we're in a classic strong dollar, strong U.S. economy. Obviously, all you hear out of the administration is America first, and people are listening. Capital investment is occurring in the United States by U.S. companies and foreign companies. It's the best place to be in the world right now.
How long can this last, Keith? That's the question, right?
Possible red flags, energy prices, emerging markets. But as long as the U.S. consumer stays confident and strong, and U.S. tax policy and regulatory policy stays this way, I see it continuing.